From the menu, you can save your work in an editable .enb format to work with it on OneScreen Write in the future. Press New to start whiteboarding on a new file, or press Open to open and work on a previously saved file. As we discussed previously, press here to import an image, PDF, SVG, or even an editable IWB file. You can also export your work as an image file, a PDF, SVG, or IWB as per your need. Press here to upload your work directly on your cloud account. More information on that under the OneScreen Accounts and Files Management videos that I'm leaving a link to in the description. Quick recap, you can change the background theme and even the background color. The best part, insert your own background by selecting an image of your choice. Talking about customizations, go to Settings to enable or disable multi-finger touch or customize your toolbar as per your need. Press on List to view all your open OneScreen Write files. Press on Share to share your work with anyone in the room through a QR code that they can scan on their device.